Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. Today I'm going to talk about ping cache card, failed issue and verification issue. So let's open LD player and connect proxy for CashApp. Open CashApp apps. See, first I'll show its ping CashApp cache card. See the ping cache cup. So second, CashApp is most regular problem last update due to failing transaction and account verification issue. So why was transaction failing and account verification issue? Some reason for failed transaction. Step 1, don't change your email after 24 hours of login a new device for new CashApp account. So it's new CashApp account. Step 2, after login into the new device, added bank account. So if you added account, go menu, then linked banks. So link debit card, it's few name I'll tell you, like Chime bank, go to bank, Sophie bank, stairs, money leon, etc. You can also add your CashApp account. After adding any bank, then try to small transaction with your friends or family CashApp account. Step 4, do not try transaction in login new device for the first 24 hours. If you follow this step, it's maybe not fail your transaction. Now we talk about verification. Sometimes the user make transaction instant after new device login, new CashApp. Most user not connect bank or debit card. The main issue for verification. Step 3, using free VPN or IP. It's tracking unusual activity. The third problem. 4, some user login multiple account in on device. It's a big reason for verification. CashApp, the last update is very hard to use the new CashApp account. So if you run CashApp smoothly to use older CashApp, it's going good and long lasting. So if you follow this kind of step, do not fail and verification. So must follow the step, and if you need CashApp, then join my Telegram channel and join my Telegram ID. So description in my Telegram channel and Telegram ID. So if you need, feel free to text me. Thank you for watching this video.